Welcome to a Taxware video tutorial. This video will cover downloading and installation of the program from our website. First, open up your internet browser and go to www.taxwaresystems.com. Click on Client Login in the top right. If you are a returning client, enter your username and password and click Login. If you are a new client, click the link that says "Click here if you have not created a username." And if you have forgotten your username or password, click the button that says "Help me, I forgot my username or password." Once you log in, you'll be presented with two choices: Current Programs and Archive. Let's start with Archive. We will go ahead and click here for Archive. Then we will select the year for which program we want, followed by the actual program we want. Then we will click Download. The next step is different depending on which internet browser you are using. If you are using Google Chrome, it will show on the bottom left of the screen with the name of the program you are downloading. Once it has finished downloading, click on the name and the installation will run. If you are using Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge, an option will show up at the bottom asking you to run or save. Click on Save, and when the download is complete, then click Run. If you are using Firefox, the download will go to the top right of your screen under a little blue down arrow. Click on that blue down arrow and select the name of the program, and the installation will run. Once on the installation screen, you will click Next until the program begins to install. Once the program finishes installing, it would ask if you'd like an icon on your desktop. Go ahead and choose Yes if you would like one. Finally, click Finish on the installation screen. Going back to the website, we're going to click on Client Login on the top right, and then click Current Programs to take a look at the current programs. This page will list all of the programs available to your account. Simply click on the red button that indicates the program you would like to download, in this case the 2018 Master Tax menu, and the download should begin. The steps from here are the same as the previous steps. Run the installation file when it is finished. Click Next until the program begins to install. Choose whether you would like an icon on your desktop or not, and then press Finish. This concludes our tutorial on downloading and installing the programs from the website. If you require additional assistance, please contact us at 1-800-877-1065 or send us an email at support@taxwaresystems.com. Thank you for choosing Taxware.